What is buffer flow attack? Basically, attackers exploit buffer flow issues by overwriting the memory of an application. This changes the execution path of the program, triggering a response that damages file or exposes private information. For example, an attacker may introduce extra code, sending new instruction to application to gain access to IT systems. If attackers know the memory layout of program, they can initially feed input that buffer cannot store and overwrite areas that hold executable code, replacing it with their own code. For example, an attacker can overwrite a pointer, an object that point to another area in memory basically, and point it to exploit payload to gain control over the program. So if you want to know about the buffer flow attacks, I will provide you a book so you can go and learn for it. Thank you.